In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how to fix Wi-Fi not working on iPhone. This helps you avoid excess data usage and potential charges, as Wi-Fi is generally free and more stable than cellular data. To do this, simply head to your phone settings. On the settings page, ensure airplane mode is off and go Wi-Fi. Select your network and trigger it by selecting on Forget this network. Then reconnect by entering the Wi-Fi password. Check if other devices are connecting to the Wi-Fi to rule out router issues. You can also reset network settings as well. Get back and head to General. Scroll down and select on Transfer or Reset. Tap on Reset and select on Reset all settings. This will delete saved Wi-Fi networks and passwords. If the problem persists, update your iPhone to the latest iOS version, as this often resolves connectivity issues. Well, that's how easy it is to fix your Wi-Fi not connecting on your iPhone. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.